Nestled deep, deep, deep in the mountains is something beyond belief. Something so outrageously satisfying that even Snickers couldn't compete on the satisfaction scale. It is Joe's. Oh yeah.
Hello folks, welcome to JoesGE, where we buy, sell, repair, and educate people with brand name electronics. Our main focus is to make sure your life is easier. We don't hide anything about our knowledge. We want to help you guys out as much as possible. So if we can teach you guys anything, we're going to do it. We're going to show it on YouTube and really have repair guides on our website to help you guys out. It's really important for us as a business to make sure that your life is easier, and our entire focus is to make sure that we can improve as a business every single day. That way it makes your life easier. Our business, in essence, is a reverse logistics company. What is a reverse logistics company? Reverse logistics company is just really a sophisticated term for something really simple. We take things apart, we part them out, we put things together to make a full unit, and we also use those parts to sell to other people, and we use those parts to fix other units. Reverse logistics is a really sophisticated term. We work in a very simple place, even though we're doing this video in the woods. Don't let that deceive you. We have a building over there. We have lots of employees that are willing to help you out. One of the main focuses we have is focusing on customer service. We believe in customer love. We don't want to just serve you, we want to love you. And there's a big delineation between that. One thing that we show in advance is our phone number. Our phone number is everywhere. 201-898-5637. That's our phone number. It's on the top of our website. You don't have to scroll through 56 different pages and then somewhere in the classified area where you can't see, there's our phone number. Our phone number is very easy to see. It's very accessible, and that's the way our customer service is. We're easy to work with, we're accessible, and we're really quick to reply. That's really our focus, is to make sure you guys get an easy experience. You guys can find our number anytime. And we're here, we're not hiding, we're exactly here, and our phone number is on top. That's really our expression of customer service. We want to make it easy on you. From the bottom of my heart and everyone at JoesGE, thank you.
Thank you.
Yo, thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Can you say it louder?
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
What?
Thank you.
Yeah! Thank you very much.
Thank you.
For choosing JoesGE. Perfect.
Sweet dude.
If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our team of Ninja Turtles is patiently waiting to respond.
If you would prefer to speak with a Ninja Beavers instead, please consult the rulebook page 54 for further directions. Have a nice day.